Florida Iguana and Tortoise Farm, early in the morning. The males are just starting to come out and walk around. The birds are tweeting. The female galops are just waiting for some sunshine to start. The iguanas are just starting to wake up. And the aldabras are always the first ones out. They'll come out and eat even in the cooler weather. Hurricane IRMA and some of our preparations in dealing with this storm. One of my jobs anyway, is I've got to get these galops in the galop house over here, which, as you can see, we are reinforcing. We were unable to get plywood or wood to reinforce, so what we did actually was, I don't know if you can see this over here, we actually took down some of our fencing, and we're using that fencing to reinforce the galop house. This is just something that we came up with. And you can see here we've taken this fence apart as well to get some plywood and some beams to reinforce some of the huts. Another thing I've got to do is I've got to take down my greenhouse here. As you can see now, in the greenhouse, it's completely empty. All the animals are out, and it's a big mess. Got to get all this cleaned up so there's no flying debris, and I've got to take down my greenhouse film. Something else, we needed plywood, so as you can see, we've taken down our plywood that runs along these cages. This is a hallway where the galops and the aldabras are passing, so you need this plywood here so that they don't break through that screen. But for the storm, we removed the plywood. This is our aldabra pen, one of our aldabra pens, and I've got to get these aldabras in their house. And you can see what we've done here. As I explained earlier, we have our fencing. We've taken it down to reinforce the roof of that house. Again, as you can see, there's another roof that we've reinforced with our fencing. We've taken down the fencing to reinforce against the hurricane winds. Putting the red feet in their bunker. You can hear the thunder in the background.
It's so hot in these ponchos. Come on, guys. Where's Lolly?
Here they come.
Oh, see, you look tired.
Oops.
I got it. Go get it. We're at the track. All right. Hung up in my...
Here are the red feet going in their bunker. And here they go. They're making the march. Making the march towards the galop house as they head in there. You can see HMS is already in there. He's heading in. We just got to get the rest of these girls and boys in. Here they come. There they go as they make their way in. Everybody file in. Come on, let's go. Talk about a traffic jam on 75. This is a traffic jam. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. Hey, I hope you can see this. They're all getting into their prospective parking spaces. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. You gotta move. Come on. Come on. Come on, Adolf. Let's go. Time to go in. Let's go. Let's go. You know the drill. You don't want to go in. It's too nice outside. Trust me. It's not going to be nice at all. Let's go. There's the wind kicking up. Yeah, he knows where he's got to go. As big as he is, he's pretty easy to move around. I think somebody's in your spot though. He likes the first spot on the right. Actually got his name on it. It's got to make an immediate right. I'll let you guys sort that out. I got two more. Here we go. Mission accomplished for now. There's only one that's in another house somewhere else. But there we go. Galops in. Now Aldabras. Here we are, 8:30 in the morning. The winds are just starting to come through here on the farm. As you can see, there's some trees around. A lot of things are blowing down. The greenhouse is coming apart. Let's sit here 8:30 in the morning. Not really high winds, but just starting. It's just a video from inside the house. Too dangerous right now to go out. Another update from the farm. 60-70 mile an hour winds. You can see some of the trees have come down. Got some branches laying in the yard. The greenhouse is coming apart. The trees are bending over. All the banana trees. Holy shit. Things breaking apart here. Look at those damn trees. That's the problem with those trees. Here we go now. It's really cooking. This is hurricane force winds. You can see the rain is going sideways. This is it now. Full force hurricane winds. Trees down. All of the animal shelters are holding up. The greenhouse is coming apart. We got the rain going sideways here. Things are pretty bad. As long as the animal shelters are holding up. The winds have calmed down a little bit. Just coming out here to do a little look around. What kind of damage we have. Seen a couple major branches down. Not much flooding. That's what's left of my greenhouse. The house, the lab, storerooms back there. You can see there are branches and debris laying all around. All the tortoise huts and cages, iguana cages, all intact. Everything survived well. Put the bamboo trees down. This is a real problem with these trees right here. These trees. All the banana trees are down. They didn't make it. Even the bamboo, some of the bamboo is down. All the leaves are missing on that tree. A lot of leaves. This is the better part of the storm. Next we have a chance to come out and survey some of the damage. Something falls on my head here. Alright. And this is the morning after. Yeah, galops are just coming out of the house. That's what's left of the greenhouse. It was destroyed. Well, as you can see, we're just in a recovery process. Trying to clean up these trees that are down, garbage and materials laying all over the place. Just trying to put the farm back together. A lot of damage to the different structures. Getting things together. Getting the animals fed. Rebuild this greenhouse. Got to get these fences repaired. A lot of this lumber was scavenged to reinforce the structures as we couldn't get plywood. Went 3 times to Home Depot, no plywood. So I started taking the fencing down and the cages down so that I could reinforce the structures with the fencing. It's the only choice I had.